DJI Avata 3 successor, the drone they don't want you to know about yet. It's rumored to be called the Avata 3, or some insiders are even whispering Avata Pro, but whatever the final name is, this thing is an absolute beast and it's coming sooner than you think. Let me be straight with you. I've spent the last 72 hours digging through fresh FCC filings, Chinese patent offices, leaked factory photos, and private Discord groups where actual DJI engineers are talking under fake names. What I found will blow your mind. And no, this is not another recycled rumor video. These leaks are brand new, dropped literally 2 days ago, and most YouTube channels haven't even seen them yet. So you're hearing this first. First leak that stopped me dead in my tracks. The new Avata is getting a complete airframe redesign. Forget the cage. Yes, you heard that right. DJI is finally moving to an open-prop Cinewhoop killer design with fully exposed 6-inch props. Internal documents call it Project Tornado. The goal? 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 2 seconds. That's faster than the original Avata 2 in sport mode, while still being safe enough to fly indoors if you want. They're using a brand new carbon fiber X-frame that weighs only 289 grams naked, lighter than the current Avata 2 with the cage on. Second leak, and this one hurts FPV pilots in the best way. They're switching to a 1/1.3-inch stack sensor that can shoot true 4K 120 frames per second in 10-bit color with 0 rolling shutter. The code name inside the firmware is Hawkeye X. Side-by-side blind tests that leaked from the testing team show it completely destroys the O4 Air unit, the Inspire 3, even the GoPro Hero 13 in low light. We're talking usable footage at 8000 ISO with almost no noise. Night freestyle pilots are about to cry happy tears. Now here's where it gets insane. Leak number 3. DJI is bringing back something everybody begged for, modular goggles. The new system is called Goggles X. One base goggle, but you can swap the front plate. Want ultra-low latency analog for racing? Click. Want the new 05 digital system that pushes 200 megabits per second at 1080p 120 frames per second with only 8 milliseconds glass-to-glass latency? Click. There's even a third plate that has built-in Starlink receiver so you can fly beyond 50 kilometers in the middle of nowhere with 0 signal loss. Yes, I said Starlink. Speaking of transmission, leak number 4. The new 05 system is using 6 GHz band in supported countries and hits a verified 28 kilometers in FCC mode. One tester in Nevada already posted a screenshot showing rock-solid image at 27.8 kilometers with the drone barely visible as a dot in the sky. That's almost double the current 04 Max. Battery leak, this one is wild. They're moving to a new 4S 3500 mAh pack with graphene strips that can dump 300 amps continuous without sagging below 3.6 V per cell. Flight time in hover? 19 minutes. In full manual acro ripping 6-inch props? Still 11 to 12 minutes. That's nearly double what we get right now. Price leak? Brace yourself. The base combo with Goggles X and one battery is coming in at $1,299. The Fly More Ultimate Bundle with Starlink plate, 3 batteries, and the new Motion Controller 3, $2,399.